Objective Bravo is taking out. SA standing by. Securing objective Bravo.
Stun grenade!
No! I can't see with that bright ass glare in my face.
Enemies taking Bravo. The lead is ours. We're losing Alpha. UAV standing by. We've lost half the field. Come back.
No.
Let's go. Let's go now. Good teamwork there.
Snipers down.
That's W teamwork right there. W.
Yo, what's good? It's Nav, and today I'm bringing you guys my first MW2 video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys that movement does still exist in this game, even after all the movement nerfs. So I hope y'all enjoy. And if you guys want a movement guide, make sure to comment down below, and I'll make one so that you guys can all learn how to do the new movement. Anyways, that's pretty much it. I love y'all. Peace out.
I do. Matter of fact, I do actually. A lot. Hey, stop. It makes so funny. What the fuck? Give me two more. No! Oh shit. Oh fuck, I panicked. Go off, baby. Oh, I'm done. Better to set up better.
Using a shotgun. I'm beat.
Oh shit! How the fuck did he pre-fire and still lost? That's insane, buddy.
I'm in response somehow.
Ah, fuck! Hey, 2 FC.
Well, my main car that I really wanted was a Jeep Wrangler.
Nice.
I don't
FC.
know if I still want that.
Never fucking mind.
I love Jeep. My favorite, literally. But I'm like so picky about it.
Yo.
I want a black one.
Get B.
Yeah, I want a black one. But like this. Right there.
Locating the next hard
I'm
point.
dyslexic.
Get ready.
You can't say stuff like that.
Last minute. Hard point relocating. Stand by.
What the fuck?
This nigga is.
Hard point relocating.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. Go on, Cliff. You literally so good. I don't understand. I don't know how to laser. No, I got my kill taken.
Running interference. Hardpoint relocated. Stand by. Personnel on the hard. Ready. Mission upgraded. UAV ready for tasking. Hostile counter UAV. Counter UAV ready for tasking. The mission is half complete. Finish.
Behind me.
Hostile care package in the area. We control Alpha. An SAE.
It's gonna be hard.
Enemy UAV active.
I need to focus on getting gold for this one, for this challenge. Because I don't usually go and prone link down.
UAV threat area confirmed. Get to the hard point.
You're funny. Go up, Queen. You make me want to play that song. Oh fuck, babe. Taking all the kills.
We are taking the lead.
Yo, there's something.